Alright, this is my 2012 fireworks stash. First, we got 96 shot Pearl. Kaleidoscope, I got this one for free. Toot and Twirl. This Comet. It's left over from last year. Chinese New Year. Saturn Battery. 100 shot. Should be pretty good. Happy Planets. Large, 36 shot. Garden in Spring, 7 shot. Arctic Blast, 19 shot. 2 Phantom Fiestas, they're pretty good. Emerald City, 16 shot. Oh, I got this one for free too. Gunner Mates, 9 shot. Moving down the line here, got Warm Greetings, 61 shot. And then down here, some of them went off on the other one last year, so I like fused it together, took off the ones that didn't go off, or that already went off, and then put a fuse on it right here. So it's the same thing as this one, just didn't all go off. But Overloading Sky. Moving down the line here. Got this one for free also. So Battlefield Barrage. Battle of the Colors. 36 shot. Walloping Warheads. 12 shots. Rain of Fire, 12 shots. Defcon Alert, 12 shots. I know this one's gonna be awesome. So, moving down the line here. Solar Explosion, 19 shot. Silver and Gold Exchange. This one's a heavy one, but yeah, 12 shots. And then Pyro Pixie Dust. This one I think was $30 something in Phantom. And yeah. Looks to be pretty good, I don't know. I'll see what it is. Small tubes now. That one. This one. All these are small tubes. In the back here, I got Parachute People. 4 of them. In the back there, 4. And then I got Wolf Packs. Those things should be good. Red Shell. Red Crackling Shell, Thunderstorm Shell, and another Red Crackling Shell. Moving down the line, got Fiery Cloud, Yellow Jackets, another Fiery Cloud. We got this mortar kit, comes with, came with 6, I already did 2, and they're pretty good. But I got 3 more in here, right here. And then 1 in the tube, so it should be nice. And then this came in my Grand Finale set, so 96 shot Vapor Trails. So let's see how that one is. And then we got 3 Magical Barrages, 100 shots. Those should be nice. And then Lock and Load. This was a $200 assortment. Got a deal. I think I got it for 80 bucks. But there's 4 tubes that come with it. But I did one last night, and it was pretty cool. But it's at my brother's house right now, so don't have that. And I made this for my Grand Finale when I do it. And this is the extra. So there should be 19 in here. Yeah. Because there's one missing right here. That's pretty cool. So moving down the line here. Times 200 gram Times Square Silver Green Wave. 300 gram Broadway Brocade Silver Green. Yeah. 300 gram Park Ave Peony Barrage. Now the big boys. 500 gram Green Glitter with Crackle. 500 gram Silver Crackling Palm, 500 gram fluorescent orange, 500 gram fluorescent purple bombshell, and another 500 gram silver crackling bomb. So that's my 2012 fireworks stash for this year, and it should be good. One more look at this, and I also have some novelties over here that should be nice too. Well, these are extra from last year, but a bunch of fountains and stuff. Not very fun, but just waste of space that I didn't want to add to my stash over there. Wild bats. Oh, I got a Roman candle up too. So yeah, so that's it. My stash for 2012. Thank you. And hopefully you'll watch my show.